Hi guys, welcome to another YouTube video today. I'd like to say first of all, Happy New Year. Hope you had a good New Year, and hope this year's even better than last for all of us. Things are finally getting back to normal, aren't they? But you know, it's still taking too long, especially with this new variant and whatsoever. But yeah, we've heard it all, haven't we? So anyway, I'd like to start today's video with a quick update basically. Just let me start driving here. Get out of here. Yeah, as I was saying, I like a quick update video really, and basically just let you guys know what I'm going to be doing. I've got a new car finally. You know, I like it and everything. It's really cool. I'm still getting used to it. I've only had it 2 weeks. It's a Ford Mondeo titanium 2-litre diesel, but for all you overseas guys and girls, it's a Ford Fusion. And yeah, I love the car. It's perfect on fuel, perfect size for 3 kids, perfect for going long journeys, you know, you name it. And it's quite a good spec as well, from what I've heard anyway. This instrument cluster is, you know, incredible. Not a lot of you guys overseas have got this dash, and there's rarely anyone I've seen with this dash where I live, you know. And this is, like I said, this is a 2017. They've had 16s, 17s and 18s, and I've still got a good dash. So from what I've heard, it's like 99% looking like the Lincoln MK5. You know, I've not really double checked that, but I can imagine it is, if they're saying that. And yeah, it's a good car, sporty enough for me. In the future, you know, I may do things to it, but we'll see. I've only just got it, as I said, it's 2 weeks old, so, you know, baby steps for now, guys. But yeah, I'd just like to say, what kind of videos would you like to see me do on this car? Whether it's POVs, things I don't like, things I like, road trips again, vlogs, taking it out just on long journeys in general, and you know, catching up with you guys in the day when I've got free time. For now, we'll see. But I'd like to say thank you for sticking by me. I know I haven't visually appeared in any videos on my channel in a while. I think it's about 7-8 months, possibly more, could be wrong, but I've just been busy. As I said, I got 3 kids, they're at school, so yeah, I'm going to be back doing weekly uploads anyway for you guys. And yeah, I'd just like to say thank you for sticking by me. Any ideas you've got, hit me up in the comments down below, or hit me up on social media. All my socials are pretty much, you know, my name, besides the _YT. The links are on my description on my channel. If not, I can link them down below, it's not a problem. I usually do anyway. Yeah, I'd just like to say, on the weeks I'm not uploading on this car, would you prefer to see like gaming? Would you prefer to see like random shorts on this car? What would you like to see? Just let me know, guys, and I can see if I can make it happen. And yeah, that's it really. It's like a quick update video, like I said. I'll do a quick pull here actually. So as I said, it picks up. It's a 150 horsepower version. The engine's 2-litre diesel, as I said before. So, you know, with it being a diesel, the engine's fine. The transmission definitely needs, I don't know if you call it a transmission remap sort of thing. It just holds the gears far too long, and I don't mean in a good way. It just like literally holds it at 2000 RPM for about 10 seconds more than what it needs. But I've got paddle shifters on this one, so I put it in sport mode and that does sort it. But I meant, you know, if it's supposed to be economical, it's not going to be if it's holding the gears like that. So that's one thing I like to say. Definitely I want change on it eventually, but you know, that's going to take time. That's going to take time, obviously. Oh, you know, look, I love downpipes, straight pipes, ECU remaps, you name it. But first of all, I actually want to enjoy the car first. This is going to be my long-term car now, for at least what, 4, 5, 6 years. So it's only done currently 79,000 miles on it, so it's used to doing 21,000 miles a year. So it is used to like motorway, pretty much highway all the way. So it's been broken in perfectly for me. It's had new tyres, brakes have just been changed a lot, so it's incredible. I don't need to do anything on it yet, so I'm good to go. I'm basically saying I'm good to go. So whatever you want to see, hit me up, guys, and I can make it happen. If I can make it happen anyway, I will make it happen, and that's it. So yeah, catch you guys later. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for staying subscribed. And honestly, I appreciate even you spending a minute of your time watching my videos. I honestly do. I'm not just saying that. You know, I do appreciate it. Baffles me out sometimes you guys actually watch my videos, because I feel I'm not that great at it, but we'll see. I mean, I can only get better, can't I? So yeah, like I said, if you guys hit me up on socials or like Twitter, Instagram, DanJWoods_YT, that's both of them, but on the Twitter it's an extra underscore after the YT. Yeah, give me ideas, like I said, comment down below, or you can get hold of me on Reddit if any of you guys use that. I use that regularly as well. It's just, again, it's the same, DanJWoods_YT. And any ideas, any videos you want specifically on this car, you know, we can do, no problem, no problem. So thanks for watching, thanks for staying with me, thank you for taking a moment of your time to watch this video, and yeah, I'm going to leave you guys to it. Enjoy the rest of your day or week, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Plenty more Ford videos coming though, guys, honest. Thanks again. So yeah, not a lot of content today, guys, I'm afraid. It was just a quick update video. Now on to the boring stuff, shopping before everything closes, because it is Sunday and where I live everything closes at 4 PM and I've got 20 minutes to run in and out. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you for checking out my videos, thank you for staying with me, and most importantly, thank you for even watching this video. I appreciate every one of you, and I'll be back shortly. More content, hopefully more interesting content. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, and of course, if you want to, remember to subscribe, like this video. I'll catch you guys in a bit.